Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. I have my Ipsy, I have my Macy's, and I have my Walmart beauty box. So I'm just going to jump right in, but if you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you got any of these boxes, what you got in yours, if you got the same things as me or not. Yeah, let's go. All right, let's start with Ipsy. I think this bag is so cute. It reminds me so much of the 90s. I don't know. It's giving me Clueless vibes. I think it's the faux fur type thing. I love the colors. I love purple is one of my favorite colors, and I love pink too. So I think it's awesome. This month's theme is the Year of You, and they actually gave me my products this time. So first up, this did not come in the bag. This was my choice actually. This is from Head Candy Mini Hair Care Set, Squad Goals, Shampoo, Conditioner, and Leave-In Treatment. Okay, this is weird. The labels aren't even like really attached at all. And they're not on there straight either. So very cheap packaging. Not impressed with the packaging whatsoever. Hopefully the products themselves are okay. They don't have much of a smell, so yeah, it's I'm disappointed in the quality of the packaging, but I am excited. Like shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in, these are all things that I will definitely use. And the full version of this product is $15, so not too bad. I guess they're like $5 each, which, you know, even with Garnier and stuff, you get a little higher quality packaging, so not terrible, but a little disappointed in the quality. Then let's get into here. The first thing I'm pulling out is Hello Results from It Cosmetics. This is the Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Serum and Cream. Ooh, I'm almost out of retinol. So is this a serum or is it a cream? It says it's a cream, so I guess I will use it as my last step. Retail for $69 for the full size. We'll see once I open this, and if it is a serum, I really do need some serums for retinol because I am almost out. Like, I have been doing a good job of using up my retinols. Then we have, which looks to be a mascara, yes, Beauty Vault. Never heard of Beauty Vault. This retails for $18. I'm not going to open it because I am trying to use up some other samples of mascaras. I just barely started this one yesterday, so it's only been going for 2 days. We'll see how, or maybe 3 days. This might be day 3. It's doing okay so far, so this will go in my stash. It is sealed, which is nice, so then I know it's new. Then we're pulling out a box. This is Dew of the Gods. I've got something from them before, and honestly, I haven't tried it yet. I think it was a mask, and I just ended up sticking it in my mask stash. Did I say the mascara retails for $18? This, a full size, retails for $30. This is a microdermabrasion facial scrub. That's awesome. I will definitely use that. Honestly, plastic wrap on a box seems like overkill because, yeah, especially for a sample. This isn't sold in stores. It doesn't need to be that sealed. So I will definitely use this squalene and oat milk. I do like facial scrubs, and I have a couple, but I have pretty much depleted my stash of them, so not too bad for that one. The last thing in here is from Aether Beauty. It is the Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain in Harmony, and this retails for $24 for the full size. I'm not going to use this because I have too many lip products and too many cheek products. This isn't a product I enjoy, the duals, and every time I open one, I regret it. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to open it this time, but yes, that's the last item. Overall, I don't think this was too bad. I'll use probably 4 out of the 5 items, so that's good. And then, you know, I'm not sure about the mascara, but at least they aren't sending me a mascara every month like they used to. I did have like mascaras and eyeliners not to ever get, but they keep changing things at Ipsy, and I don't think they let you opt out of products anymore. But yes, cute bag. That was my favorite part of it. But practical things and things I'll actually use. So I guess that's a good bag. I forgot to say Ipsy is $13 a month plus $1.99 shipping or handling fee. And then Macy's is $15 a month, so they're about this. They're basically the same price. And then Walmart is $6.97 a quarter. All right, so first thing that we had in the Macy's box this month was this little guy, and it says "You Glow Girl" on it. Just a cute little see-through bag. Not my favorite bag they've done, but not the worst. And then I got an Oops card, so something in here has been substituted. We'll see what it is. Let's get into the tissue. So first up, I have from Youth House. This is gigantic. It's actually 2 parts. So you have like a top part and a bottom part that are separate. And it's supposed to be a 15-minute mask. Let's see how much that retails for. That's $8.50 for that. I am not the biggest fan of this type of mask, this material. I like the paper ones better, but I will eventually use that. So not too bad. I forgot to say they also always have a 5 off of $20 purchase or a 10 off of $40 occasionally. So that helps up the value a little bit. We have something stuck inside the perfume sample. This is Naturally Serious Lemonade Makeup Removing Cleansing Gel. Okay, this retails for $18 for a full size. This is a brand I have never heard of, but a cleanser is something I will definitely use. I go through cleansers regularly, so that's not too bad. We have Black Opium. This just appears to be the original Black Opium. So full size retails for $104. I do own 2 bottles of this. I have a 1 ounce and a 3 ounce, so I will pass this one along. And then let's grab the other. Oh, there's another. The samples all seem to be inside the other samples. That's weird. YSL Home at Home EDT. This retails for $78. So those will both be passed along because I don't need either of those. Then we have this little bit box from Lancome. This is the Regenerate Lift Multi-Action Ultra. It's a sunscreen. So this one is in here. It retails for $110 for full price. I'm sorry, I'm not paying $110 for a sunscreen or a moisturizer sunscreen. Like that's too much for me. That's too much for me. Then we have from Origins. This is the Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. So not too bad. Retail is for $34 for a full size. I don't need any more eye creams because I have so many of them, but it will eventually get used, or my mom will use it. And then the last thing, I wonder, this must be, yeah. Okay, no Macy's. I am not in love with this as much as what I was supposed to have. So it was supposed to be the Microdermabrasion Renewing Face Exfoliator, and I don't know why it says it's new. Maybe Dr. Brandt's new to Macy's? I can't remember. But it retails for $79. I love that face scrub. That is one of my favorite face scrubs. I won't pay $79 for that face scrub, but I have used that face scrub and I love it. And instead you send me a facial cream. I don't need a moisturizer. You sent me a moisturizer sunscreen. That's a disappointing substitution for Macy's. Usually I'm not too disturbed with whatever they substitute with, but yeah, this one is not nearly as exciting as the Microdermabrasion because I just really like that stuff. So overall, not too bad. I won't use the perfumes, but I will use everything else. And I'm glad we got a bag back. I'm very happy about that. It's not the most practical one, but it is kind of cute. I mean, I don't know if that helps you see like what the size is. So everything but the mask could probably fit in here. But yeah, okay. Okay, Macy's. It was just okay month. It wasn't the best month. It wasn't the worst month. All right, finally, Walmart. And it's probably a little bit more beat up than usual because it got delivered to my parents' house like the day after I left. So I had to have it shipped to me. I was going to just leave it, but then Influencer sent me a foundation that I need to review and to post about. So I had my dad package them together and send them out. So time for a little TLC is the theme this go round. I forgot to. I don't know if Macy's ever has like a real theme, does it? New Year, New Glow. It's supposed to be a $37 value for the Macy's. I should pay more attention to that. So trash tissue paper. And then first thing in here we have, I have so many of these liquid IVs and I've never tried them. This is the watermelon flavor, which, okay, not too bad. And it looks like I have another one in here as well. This one is an immune support drink mix, and this one is a non-GMO electrolyte drink mix. So this one is tangerine. Okay. Maybe eventually I'll remember to drink those. Does it say $9.98 for a 6 count of the immune one? And the other ones aren't listed on here. Then the other thing that seems to be featured, because they're here on the side, is Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, very dry to dry sensitive skin. I definitely don't have very dry or very dry to sensitive skin. Sweet almond oil and essential vitamins B5 and B3. Okay, it's fine. I'll get around to using it eventually. I think it's for face. Oh, I think so. It's not. It doesn't look like a lotion. Then we have a bio oil dry skin gel. Okay, I haven't seen a gel one before. I don't know how much that's going to cover, but okay. Then we have Real Beauty, RAEL. I'm not really sure. Miracle patches, and these seem to be just hydrocolloids. I'm going to actually pass these along because I never find these very useful. Like even like the zit I had here, I don't think it would have helped last night. And if my lips look a little weird, that's partly because I got a zit right on the corner of my lip. So fun. Ideal for surface spots. They're fine. There's 24. That's a good size actually. But like I said, they're not really something I use, so I will pass those along. Those retail for $5.98. That's not too bad. That's a full size. Then I have Earth Supplied Textured Hair Care. This is my hair air dried. It's yeah. Definitely don't have any texture. It is thin, like it's not thin. It's fine and straight, and I have a lot of hair, but this is not listed on here. This is a butter rich deep treatment mask, moisture and repair. I will be passing that one along for sure because that's not something I will use. And then I have a CoverGirl mascara. This is $9.97. This is the Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. So, I mean, this definitely paid for the box. Not the best box for me for Walmart. I've been having good luck with them. For the most part, I feel like the past few times I've gotten some really interesting things, some things that I was really excited about. But this month, just not so much. And that's just because, like, these two are things that I'm not going to use. And I'm going to quit trying to make myself use the hydrocolloid and complain about them every empties. And then just they are very small. You know, a single-use foil packet does not feel very, like, even if it was is this enough for, like, I'm sorry, but is this enough for even like a leg? So, moisturizing cream, okay. The mascara I'm excited to try. Oh wait, like I have another mascara. I haven't bought mascaras for years, basically. And then these, I'm really getting sick of these being shelved in so many boxes. But yeah, kind of a mixed bag this month. Some things that are very practical. Nothing that I'm like, oh, this is so exciting. I'm really excited to try it. But just solid things, which is fine. Like, I'm happy to have solid things that I can use and that are practical, but nothing super exciting this month. So let me know if you got anything super exciting. Let me know what you think of what I got in my Walmart and my Ipsy. Let me know if you got a substitution in your Macy's as well. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.